Hi guys, let's look at the homework questions of exercise 9a. But before we start, let's quickly revise the 5 tests of congruency. The first one is side, 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 where all three sides are equal to the corresponding three sides of the second triangle. The second one is side, angle, side, where two sides and the included angle are equal. Point number 3 is angle, side, angle test, which means two angles and the included side is equal. Test number 4 is angle, angle, side, two angles and the corresponding side is equal. And test number 5, right angle, hypotenuse, side. So these are the 5 tests of congruency. Let's look at some questions now which were given as homework. Okay, the first question for homework was question number 3. It says circle with center O. If OP is perpendicular to AB, prove AP is equal to BP. Now let's join OA and OB. So what basically we need to prove is triangle AOP and triangle BOP are congruent. That will help us prove AP is equal to BP using CP/CTC. So let's start writing. First step, join OA and OB. Now the two triangles that we are looking at in triangle AOP and triangle BOP. What all do we know? Let's write this down. Point number 2. That's OA is equal to OB. The reason for this is radii of the same circle. Next, that's the first thing which is equal. So OA and OB are equal. Next, I notice that angle OPA is equal to angle OPB, which is equal to 90 degree. This is given as per the question. So we've got a right angle equal, we've got the hypotenuse equal. Let's see if we have any side equal. Yes, we have OP is equal to OP, which is common arm. Therefore, by right angle, hypotenuse, side test, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPB. What this gives us is AP is equal to BP using CP/CTC, which is basically corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So that's the simple one. Let's look at the next homework question. The next homework question was question number 5. Question number 5 says a triangle ABC has angle B equal to angle C. No diagram given, so let's just draw this diagram. And triangle ABC, angle B and angle C are equal. Okay, prove that perpendicular from midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. So let this be the midpoint of BC. We need to prove that midpoint of line joining midpoint of BC. Let's name this point P. What we've been given is BP and CP are given, and this is a perpendicular that we've drawn, right? And from P onto AP also, this is also a perpendicular that we've drawn. Let's call this point Q. Let's call this point R. So what we have to prove is, in the first part of the question, perpendicular from midpoint of BC to AB and EC are equal. So what we need to prove is PQ is equal to PR. That's what we need to prove. So let's look at these two triangles which are forming DPQ and CRP. I have two angles equal and one side equal. Angle B is equal to angle C, angle Q is equal to angle R, and BP is equal to CP. So this is basically an angle side test. Let's just write that down. So in triangle BPQ and triangle CPR, what do we have in common? Angle QBP is equal to angle RCP. This is given. Point number 2, angle BQP is equal to angle CRP is equal to 90 degree. This is also given. So we've talked about two angles, and the third one is a side. So this is BP is equal to CP. The reason for this is since P is midpoint of BC. What this gives us is, therefore, triangle BQP is congruent to triangle CRP by angle side test. What this gives us is PQ is equal to PR. The reason for this is CP, CT, C. So that's the first part of the question. Let's look at the second part. Second part says perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So we need to draw a separate diagram. So again, this is A, this is B, this is C, and these angles are given equal. So perpendicular from B and C to the opposite side. Okay. So what we have drawn is a perpendicular from B onto AC and from C onto AB. Let's name this point D. Let's name this point E. What we have to prove now is that these perpendiculars are equal, which means BD is equal to CE. Let's look at the triangle that are being formed in triangle BEC and triangle BDC. So these are the two triangles which are being formed. Let me draw them separately so that visually it is clear to you. This is E, this is B, this is C, and this is BDC. This is angle D, this is angle C, this is angle B. What we know is angle B here is equal to angle C. That's given. We know angle E and angle D are equal because this is 90 degree, and BC and BC are equal by common arm. So we again have angle side test. Let's just write this down. So point number 6, angle EBC is equal to angle DCB, reason given. Point number 7, angle BEC is equal to angle CDB is equal to 90 degree. This is also given. And then the last part, BC is equal to BC. This is common side. So what we get is, therefore, triangle BEC is congruent in terms of 1:1 correspondence. B is equal to C, E is equal to D, and then the last one is B. This is by angle side test. What this gives us is, therefore, CE is equal to BD. This is CP, CT, C. That's exactly what they wanted us to prove. So this part of the question also done. Perfect. That brings us to the next homework question. The next homework question is question number 7. It says a line segment AB is bisected at point P, and through point P another line segment PQ is drawn perpendicular to AB. Okay, so this is line segment AB and it is bisected at point P. Okay, and through P another line segment PQ is drawn perpendicular to AB. Okay, so this is PQ. We need to prove QA and QB are equal. Okay, let's see what we already know. We know that these two angles are 90 degree. We know that AP and BP are equal because this is P is the midpoint, and I know QP is the common arm. So by side angle side, we should be able to prove these two triangles congruent. So in triangle QPA and triangle QPB, let's see what do we know. Point number 1, QP is equal to QP. This is common arm. So that's one side that we've got. Number 2, angle QPA is equal to angle QPB is equal to 90 degree. This is given. And point number 3 is PA is equal to PB. Reason, since P is midpoint of AB. So what we get is, therefore, triangle QPA is congruent to triangle QPB by side angle side test. What this gives us is eventually QA is equal to QB. This is CP, CT, C. That's exactly what they wanted us to prove. So hence proved. Perfect. This was fairly simple. Let's look at the next homework question. The next homework question is question number 10. Question number 10 says AB is equal to DB, already shown in the diagram. AC is equal to DC, already shown in the diagram. Angle ABD, also this big angle here, is given equal to 58 degree. Angle DBC, this small angle here, is given equal to 2x minus 4. Angle ACB, which is this small angle here, is y plus 15. And angle DCB is given equal to 63 degree. We need to find the value of x and y. So let's try and look at these two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle DBC, what do we have? Point number 1, AB is equal to DB. This is already given. AC is equal to DC. Both these parts are given. And point number 3 would be BC is equal to BC. That's the common side. So both these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. What does this help us with? Let's check. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC by SSS test. What this gives us is, therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle DBC and angle ACB is equal to angle DCB. Both of this is CPCTC. Now we know DCB is 63 degree, ACB is y plus 15. What this gives us is y plus 15 degree is equal to 63 degree. What this gives us is y is equal to 63 degree minus 15 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 48 degree. So we've got the value of y. We still need to find the value of x. Let's see what do we know about ABC and DBC. ABC is this small angle, DBC is this small angle. Okay, so let's write this down. Angle ABD would be equal to angle ABC plus angle DBC. So since these two angles are equal, which means angle ABD is equal to 2 times angle DBC, and this is given equal to 58 degree. What this means is angle DBC is equal to 29 degree. Yes, 58 degree divided by 2, that's 29 degree. The value of angle DBC is given equal to 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4 degree is equal to 29 degree. 2x is equal to 33 degree. X is equal to 16.5 degree. Let's read the question. Find the value of x and y. So we've got the value of x and y. This is equal to 16.5 degree and 48 degree. That's our final answer. Good. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we have is question number 12. It says in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Show that altitude AD is also the median. Okay, so that's the rough diagram. This is ABC. AB is given equal to AC, which means angle B and angle C are also equal because this is an isosceles triangle. This is the altitude, which means what we need to prove is BD is equal to CD. So to prove that BD is equal to CD. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have one right angle equal, we have hypotenuse equal, we have one side equal. We have one right angle equal, we have one angle equal. So whichever method we use, we should be able to get the answer. Both the options are possible, AAS as well as RHS. So point number 1, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. The reason given. Point number 2, hypotenuse AB is equal to hypotenuse AC. This is also given. Point number 3, AD is equal to AD common arm. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by right angle hypotenuse side test. What this gives us is BD is equal to CD. A reason for this, CPCTC. Therefore, D is midpoint of BC and AD is the median. Perfect. That's exactly what they wanted us to prove, and we've been able to do it. Let's look at the last homework question, which was given for this chapter, or for this exercise rather, which is question number 13. So given BL is equal to CM, prove AD is the median of triangle ABC. So if we need to prove that AD is the median, basically what we need to show is BD and CD are equal, because that's when D would be the midpoint of BC. So what we need to prove is BD is equal to CD. That will help us prove that D is the midpoint, which means that AD is the median. So let's look at these two triangles in triangle BLD and triangle CMD. Let's draw these two triangles separately. Okay, so this is BLD, this is LBD, and the other one is CMD. Okay, so this is 90 degree MCD. What we know is BL is equal to CM. We have a 90 degree also equal. Any sides given equal? No, but I can see vertically opposite angle. This D here and this D here are vertically opposite angle. Let's just write this down. So point number 1, angle BLD is equal to angle CMD is equal to 90 degree given. Point number 2, angle BDL is equal to angle CDM. Reason, vertically opposite angles. And point number 3, BL is equal to CM given. What this means is, therefore, triangle BLD is congruent to triangle CMD by angle side test. What this means is BD is equal to CD, reason CPCTC, and that gives us, therefore, D is midpoint of BC and AD is the median. Perfect. That was the last homework question of this exercise. Hope you like the question. Hope you like the way I've done the video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to write into me. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye bye.